Hello friends, welcome back to your channel My Vedic Max book. Today we are going to learn a new concept, that is subtraction. In Vedic Max it is easy to solve the latest max easily and quickly. In this channel you will going to learn new methods to solve addition, subtraction, multiplication, algebraic expressions and all the methods which comes in Vedic Max. So let's begin our today's video. This is the channel My Vedic Max Books, fastest method in Max by Vedic Max. So let's start today's video. Our new concept is subtraction. Let me first teach you some basics rules, and once we accomplish learning it, we will learn a new concept, subtraction. So welcome back to students to your channel My Vedic Max book. And today we are going to learn how to solve a subtraction sums within a seconds. Note, if you need these concepts in text formats, then you can visit our blog, and the link is in the description. The link is myvedicmaxbooks.blogspot.com. Today's news topic is subtraction. So our first concept in subtraction is complements. Now you have a doubt, what is complement? The complement, to learn it, I am going to take one example. If I ask you that I will give you 6 pencils, ask you how many more pencils you have to add to make it 10. Means we are going to make any numbers as 10, and the other number we will get will be complement. In our case, 6 pencils I will give you, you have to add 4 to get 10. So we can say that 6 complement is 4 because 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Now to better understanding, we will going to take one example of complements. So beginning to our new examples, keep in mind that 3 complement 7 means 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Taking another example, 1 complement 9, then we can say that 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 complements 9 to get 10. Another example, 4 complement 6 is equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 2 complement 8, 2 plus 8 equal 10. Taking another example, 5 complement 5 is equal to 10. You must keep in mind that these are the complements. So when I say that, say the complement of 6, you have to instantly give the answer 4. This is our complements. But before we start, I would like you to understand two terminologies, that is match combinations and mismatch combinations. This is a part 1 of this subtraction match combination. In this video we are going to learn match combinations, single digit, double digit, triple digit list. So first, what is match combination? Match combination means the big digit to small digit. 6 minus 3 is called match combination. That means the first digit is higher than the second, means we can easily subtract that. Our second mismatch combination, or we can say that what is mismatch combinations? Mismatch combinations means smaller digit to big digit, means the first number is smaller than the second, means the answers come in minus, so we cannot say that is match combination. This is mismatch combinations. If you are understanding this concept, then please let me know. Say yes in comment section and say no if you don't. If you don't understand these concepts, then you can clear it by watching again and again this video. Moving forward, so first, what is combination? It is easy to do match combinations. It is a natural subtraction. For example, 5 minus 3, this is match combinations which is equal to 2. Another example, 6 minus 2 equals 4. This is also a match combinations. Means we are getting the higher number first and lower number second. So we are getting the solution in positively. For example, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Sorry, here printing mistakes occur. And many more examples. You can do that match combinations. Now our next level we will deal with double digits by double digits. For example, 86 minus 24. Did you note that we will start our all new sums from left to right? In our regular max, we are doing the sums with right to left. Means we are starting from here to here, but in these sums we are starting from here. So this is our terminology in Vedic max. We are starting all the solutions from left to right, not from right to left. So here example, we got our final answer 62. So let's take one more example. Here we get 98 minus 53. So when we solve these sums from right to left, let me tell you, this is 98 and 53. So when I start my solution, then I will first do this solution, we will got 4, and then this solution, we will got 5. So our final answer will be 45. Are you understanding? Please let me know. Say yes in comment if you understanding this concept. Moving forward, our next we are going to practice all sum solution from left to right. Here to here, not here, here to here. You have to give all answer in the chat sections in 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, I am giving you some examples to solve. Do it by your mind instantly. Don't wait for solutions. Just think and answer it. First example is 67 minus 23, 49 minus 12, 38 minus 16, 79 minus 52. These all are match combinations, means first number is greater than the smaller number. Let's extend this same method to triple digit sums. Now we had solved double digit sums in seconds, right? So let's move to our third digit. Here we are going to take an example of 875 minus 234. This is match combination. Sorry, battery low. Write the answer from left to right. So our first answer we will got is 6, then we will got 4, then we will got 1. So our final answer will be 641. So we have prepared this sum for mismatch combination. Here you had learned the match combinations, all three concepts in single digit, double digit, triple digit. Now in the next chapter you are going to learn the mismatch combination solution. For example, 975 minus 232. Next question, 698 minus 137. Next question, 675 minus 132. These three example was of match combinations. You answer it in the comment section by Vedic Max, not by calculator. Note it. What you had learned in this lecture, you had learned in this chapter that what is complement, how to use complement. In that you had learned two new concepts named match combinations and mismatch combinations. Here we had solved match combination. In next lecture you are going to learn a mismatch combinations and how we are going to solve it. For example, 44 minus 67, this is the type that you will going to learn in our next lecture. This is not a match combination, this is mismatch combinations. So stay here till the end of this channel. We are going to learn and explore all the Vedic maths tricks to be the faster in maths. So if you had not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel. This is My Vedic Maths Books. Hello students. For text solutions you can visit our blog myvedicmathsbook.blogspot.com. Here you will find all the text links or text explanations in the blog format. If you had learned something new and interesting from this video, then you can share this video with your friends to learn him carefully Vedic maths. And if you had not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching My Vedic Maths Book.